AI is revolutionizing how small businesses in Minnesota bridge workforce shortages and accelerate growth, transforming industries in ways once unimaginable. But here's where it gets really interesting. While AI injects fresh life into manufacturing and marketing sectors, it's also stirring debate about the future of labor and the need for human expertise. From streamlining back-office duties to redesigning workflows on factory floors, local companies attest to AI's profound impact. The Minnesota Star Tribune captured this trend vividly on September 11, 2025. Take Backdraft Manufacturing and Automation in Laverne, for example. After years spent just scraping by financially, owner Tyler LeBrun discovered AI might be the catalyst his business needed to finally turn a profit. Over the summer, he experimented with Microsoft Copilot and other AI technologies while tackling an unusual challenge for a gun parts maker: reducing noise produced by their firearms. Remarkably, these AI programs sifted through an enormous dataset, 30 million gunshot audio files, in mere hours. To put that in perspective, it would have taken his team several weeks to accomplish that manually. This efficiency allowed Backdraft to accelerate innovation and unveil a noise-reducing product quickly, leading to $20,000 worth of new contracts and costing just $6,000 less in payroll. Thanks to AI, LeBrun anticipates a profitable year ahead as he rolls out these tools to more clients. He says, AI helped us bring products to market faster, and the opportunities from here on will only multiply. AI's role in easing labor shortages and bottlenecks cannot be overstated. The Manufacturers Alliance Foundation recently revealed that a staggering 93% of U.S. manufacturers have integrated AI into their operations to combat workforce deficits and improve production flow. This year alone, factory AI investments in the U.S. are projected to hit $7 billion, with expected growth of 40% by 2030. In Minnesota specifically, firms leverage AI to root out inefficiencies and optimize supply chains. Brenda Hawley from the Minnesota Precision Manufacturing Association explains that many factories now extract critical performance data from machines to fuel further AI-driven automation and cost savings. Vivek Saxena, CEO of Factory Twin in Hopkins, highlights that AI's precision can boost profits by 10% to 20% and improve cash flow by half. Factory Twin assists smaller manufacturers in embedding AI capabilities despite their limited engineering resources, something that giants like Boeing or Caterpillar easily manage, but smaller firms struggle with. The burgeoning demand for these solutions has even caused a 3-month service backlog. AI's versatility is impressive. Whether designing code for factory robots or analyzing complex datasets, it's adaptable to companies of all sizes. Sometimes, AI secures new clients through innovative solutions, as seen with Backdraft. Other times, it expands output without increasing headcount, a vital advantage when skilled labor is scarce. Delkor Systems in Arden Hills exemplifies this challenge. Facing a severe shortage of robotics engineers, the company once resorted to a giant billboard offering 6-figure salaries with limited success. Instead, they've increasingly relied on AI software to generate code for automated packaging systems. Recently, Delkor engineers rigorously tested an AI-powered $1.5 million packaging robot designed for a top candy manufacturer. This system collects and analyzes every detail of machine performance in real time, uploading it to the cloud. These innovations earned Delkor multiple industry accolades and new orders, reinforcing CEO Dale Anderson's belief that AI is a critical investment, keeping the company at the forefront of human-machine interface technology. VP of Engineering Rick Gessler adds that these AI tools allow clients to predict mechanical breakdowns and perform timely maintenance, minimizing costly production halts. Beyond operational AI, Delkor uses it in everyday office tasks like drafting contracts, creating marketing materials, and generating meeting follow-ups. They have even employed AI translation services to produce multilingual instructional videos and brochures for global markets, including Mexico, Germany, and Turkey. Anderson praises the broadening reach that AI translation brings to their marketing efforts. The spectrum of AI applications expands well beyond manufacturing. For instance, Eden Prairie-based logistics leader C.H. Robinson boosted productivity by 35% with a suite of over 30 AI agents handling everything from reading 10,000 email orders daily to pricing quotes, all without increasing manpower. Jordan Cass, the company's managed solutions president, calls this approach the future of premium logistics service. Deluxe Corp, headquartered in Minneapolis, is transforming from a traditional check printer into a fintech powerhouse. It harnesses AI both to uncover marketing insights for small business clients and internally to reconcile mismatched billing information, a notoriously complex task. CEO Barry McCarthy reports the cost savings have been fantastic. Meanwhile, Edina-based digital marketing agency Camp Digital saw a workforce boost this year, adding 30 employees after integrating AI tools like Google Lens. This technology lets customers upload photos of broken plumbing or heating systems, instantly receiving repair suggestions or instructional videos. A winning solution, praised for its transparency by CEO Katie Donovan. Back in Luverne, Tyler LeBrun is actively exploring how to replicate the AI-powered data analysis success with the firearms client across other industries, potentially sparing his small team from hiring additional statisticians. "This is the kind of work we couldn't have attempted before," he remarks. "The labor costs alone would have been prohibitive." All of this paints a compelling picture. AI isn't just a futuristic concept. It's a powerful, practical tool steadily reshaping Minnesota's business landscape. Yet this raises critical questions. As AI lowers the barriers to innovation and reduces reliance on specialized personnel, what happens to workers displaced by automation? Can small companies balance AI adoption with responsible workforce development? And might there be limits to what AI can achieve without human intuition and creativity? We invite you to share your thoughts. Do you see AI as a breakthrough opportunity or a potential threat to traditional jobs? Join the conversation and let us know whether AI's promise outweighs its challenges, or vice versa.